Hey, subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to ring that bell. Because when you ring that bell, you get good recipes, easy recipes, healthy recipes. You can make yourself right at home. Wonderful, delicious. Like today's recipe. We're doing stuffed grape leaves. Wow. You know what stuffed grape leaves are? Hold on one second. Hey, there you go. Stuffed grape leaves. Now these are the grape leaves. I got them in a Greek grocery store because I live in a city kind of area. So I have a lot of Greek stores near me. I can go and get a jar of grape leaves. You can order it on Amazon if you don't have a store near you. But it's wonderful. It's a wonderful dish. Why? Why make stuffed grape leaves? Well, we're going to finish this video with a fantastic, authentic Greek salad. Wonderful. And grape leaves is a nice garnish to that salad. Here, I'm heating up 2 tablespoons of olive oil in this pot. That's one of the reasons why I like to make these instead of buying them. When I buy them, I find that there's a lot of oil in them. Now, olive oil is not terrible for you, but too much olive oil is not the healthiest thing either. So, if I make it myself, I can eliminate some of the fat, and that's a good thing. But I won't eliminate the flavor, and that's a better thing. All right, let's get cooking again. Okay, I'm putting this on a very medium heat. And I chopped up 1 red onion. That's going to be about a cup of onion. Okay. What I'm making here is a stuffing. Starts with onion. Nice flavor. I use red onion. Better flavor. Going to saute it in that olive oil. Fantastic. When you saute the onion, you get like a sweetness. That's why you saute it. Don't put the onion in raw. It's going to be rough to eat. Not very pleasant. Saute it. Nice. Okay, here we go. The rice I'm using is just a medium grain white rice. Hey, you can use Carolina rice. Amazing. And I'm going to rinse this rice off and drain it. Hey, just cover it with some water. Agitate it. You see the water turns nice and cloudy? That's some of the excess starch coming off the rice. Now I'm just going to drain it. There you go. It's rinsed and drained. Okay, now I'm going to add the rice. I'm going to cook the rice just a minute with the onions. I'm going to add 2 cups of water. A 1/4 teaspoon of oregano. Half a teaspoon of salt. And a 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. Hey, this is really smelling good. Hey, I'm going to cook this rice about 10 minutes till all the water is like dissolved into the rice. Woo! It's going to be delicious. Hey, this is authentic stuff. Wonderful. Okay. Okay, you see it's starting to boil? I'm going to turn it down. Cover it. And let it simmer. 10 minutes. Okay, so it's been 10 minutes. Let's check out the rice. We don't want it to be dry yet because we got to finish seasoning this up. I have here the juice of 1 lemon, 2 tablespoons of fresh dill. Notice how I chopped it up, right? Not too fine, or else it's going to taste like grass. And fresh parsley. Also, not too fine, or else it's going to taste like grass as well. See, that's the parsley I use, this leafy parsley. Wonderful. I'm going to throw that in too. Now this smells terrific. What an aroma. Okay, and then I put the top back on. Hey, I'm gonna leave this for about a half hour. Just let it sit. Go do something else for a while. Hey, maybe I'll make a cup of coffee and relax. I could watch Judge Judy in a half hour. That would be good. Okay, I'll see you in a half an hour. You better come back. We're gonna finish this up. It's gonna be delicious. All right. Okay, so I have the filling. Fantastic. And you can see it's like, got the consistency. It's cooked rice, but it's a little starchy, so it kind of sticks together. Hey, that's what I want, because it's a filling. Okay, what am I going to fill? Grape leaves. Let's get to it. Okay, so this is how the grape leaves come out of that jar I had. Okay, it come out like rolled up like that. Here's what I do. I'm going to take that stem off. See, there's a stem. There's a stem here, like that. See that? Stem. Gotta get rid of that stem. Not gonna be pleasant to eat. Now I'll take a couple of grape leaves. Maybe, let's take 3 grape leaves. And I put them down, overlapping each other, so it makes like a nice square, like that. Whoa, look at that. That's beautiful. Then I'm going to take a nice amount of the rice filling. I'll put it right in the middle. Yeah, 2 tablespoons of rice filling. I'm going to fold it up like that. Fold over the sides. And then continue to roll it up like that. Pretty tight. And then get a nice tight roll like that. Stuffed grape leaf. Wonderful. I got here a little porcelain pan. I put it in there on the bottom just like that. The seam side down. We're going to fill this up with these grape leaves. 2 cups of water. And juice of 1 lemon. Half a teaspoon salt. And a tablespoon of olive oil. Okay. We take the water and we just want to cover these rolls. Just to cover them. There we go. Okay, and then put a cover on it. We can just put this on nice low fire. Hey, I'm going to shut it off after about a half hour. And the rice is going to expand. It's going to make the stuffed grape leaves nice and tight. And it's going to be beautiful. Then I got to cool them down. Then we make the salad. The grape leaves are the garnish on the salad. That's wonderful. Okay, here we go. Okay, check that out. That's been cooking for about a half hour. You see, most of the water has been absorbed. Very nice. I'm going to let this cool down. And while that's cooling down, I'm just going to drizzle about a tablespoon of olive oil just on top. Look at that. Ooh, that's nice. Now I'm going to let this cool down totally. Okay, so we're going to eat dinner soon, and that's when I make the salad, because I don't want to make the salad and dress it. You know, there's some vinegar in there, and vinegar is an acid, and it's going to wilt all the vegetables, so you want the vegetables to be fresh. Hey, I got a secret for you. Salad. You want to know a secret behind salad? You got to use the best ingredients, freshest ingredients, because nothing's going to cover them up. Like when you cook stuff, the cooking actually makes the food taste a little better, makes the food a little more digestible. Okay, so you can take food that's not as fresh, not as good as it could be, and you can cook it and make it taste really good. With salad, you can't do that. All you're doing is dressing it. That's it. You're cutting it and dressing it. So the food has to be at its freshest. It has to be vibrant and delicious on its own, and then you're just going to enhance it with the dressing. Wow, I'm getting excited. Let's make that Greek salad. Yes. Okay, only a few vegetables go into Greek salad. The first is pepper. Now, classically, green pepper. I have a red pepper. I'll tell you why. Hey, green peppers give me heartburn. I don't want heartburn. So you know what? I use a red pepper. It's okay. You want to use green pepper? Use green pepper. Green peppers are classical. That's what should be in there. I use a red pepper instead because I'm chef. I can do what I want to do. I can't say that with a straight face. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to slice this. So I want to cut this really nice. So I'm going to cut the ends off. I'm going to cut the sides off. Hey, that's garbage. All these vegetables get cut pretty much the same way. I don't want to like large dice them because it's not pleasant to eat like a chunk of vegetable in your mouth. I don't like that. I like them sliced. So I'm going to slice it. Beautiful. Very nice. I only use red onion because it's the sweetest. I'm going to use half an onion. Half an onion is plenty because I don't want too much onion. You know, it's a nice sweet onion, but it does have that sharpness to it. Here's what I do. I peel the onion apart. See? The onions have leaves. And what I do is I take a leaf and smash it. All right. Now it's flat. Now I can slice it. And what you get are some nice sliced onion. They're not too curved. They're kind of nice looking. A slice. But all the leaves, I cut them, and then I can kind of slice them flat. And it makes the onion look nicer. I got the onion and I got the pepper in there. I use these pear tomatoes. I don't know. These are called angel sweets, whatever. You can use cherry tomatoes if you want. And here's what I'm going to do with them. You take like a deli lid, one of these jobs, and you put the tomatoes under the deli lid, like that, and then you slice. Like and all the tomatoes are sliced in half. Hey, wonderful. Hey, if you don't cut those tomatoes in half, when you bite into them, they're going to squirt the juice out and hit the person across from you. Okay, only one cucumber to use, and that is an English cucumber. The skin is very thin. Don't peel it. Leave the skin on it. Just wash it and use it. And no seeds. They have these little spaces for seeds in there. But there's no seeds in here. Look at that. Woohoo! No seeds. Okay? And that's nice. Very pleasant to eat. And you want to cut it in half the long way. And then cut it like a quarter of an inch and quarter of an inch. Half moons. I like that term. Like a half moon. Okay. Okay. The last vegetable we have to put in there is a kind of an herb. And I put this in, it's not classically in there, but I put it in because it gives the salad a certain brightness. And that is parsley. I use the leaf parsley, not the little curly one, the leafy one. Much better than the curly one. And I don't chop it, I leave it whole. There you go. Okay, I just leave the leaves whole. Hey, you notice what's missing from here? No lettuce. Now, if you go to any restaurant in the United States and give you a Greek salad, they give it to you on a bed of lettuce. There's no lettuce in Greece. So all these vegetables, that's what it's about in Greece. No lettuce. So, next time you're in Greece, you check out the salad, you say, oh, I know that salad. Chef Dan makes the same salad. Wonderful. This is a real Greek salad. If you like robust vegetables, this salad's awesome. Okay, time to dress the salad. Okay, so the dressing for this salad, very easy, very simple, just a couple of ingredients. Okay, we'll start with a quarter cup of olive oil. 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar. And hey, don't forget to use a good red wine vinegar. 2 tablespoons. That's 1/8 of a cup. All right, 1 teaspoon of oregano. And 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And mix it up. There you go. Ooh, very nice. Nicely seasoned. Nice toss. Look at that. Okay. But look at that. Look at that bowl salad. We're using Kalamata olives. Okay, now we have a nice piece of feta cheese. Now here's the issue with the feta cheese. I got it on sale. It's not the best feta cheese, so it's a little bit hard. It's a little bit solid. Good feta cheese has a little bit of a creaminess to it. This does not. So it's very good for like breaking into like crumbles. But I don't want to use crumbles. Crumbles is not good. So if it's a hard cheese, here's what you have to do. Slice it thin. Then it'll be pleasant to eat. If you slice it too thick, it's going to be like hard to chew. Not pleasant. Slice it thin. Now I'm just going to slice it nice and thin. Beautiful. Look at that. Then we're going to finish it with this. Remember this? Ooh. It's the stuffed grape leaves. I cut them in half. That looks beautiful. Okay, now we got to finish this off beautifully. Watch this. A little bit of a drizzle of olive oil. Right over that cheese. Oh, nice. Then I'll take just a pinch of oregano in my hand and rub it. Very fragrant. Beautiful salad. Yeah, it's a wonderful, nice, light meal. That's beautiful. Hey, you know what else is beautiful you can have with this? Nice falafel. I got a video on that. It's a wonderful recipe and a wonderful video. I'll see you there.